Hey guys, Dirt and Rest here. Went to the flea market yesterday, and this is what I picked up. First of all, I got this John Deere wrench, tractor wrench. You can see the JD there, /51. Got this, see it says CA Plum with the O there, PLOMB. It looks like it's just been stamped on there, so it looks like a pretty old plum. I don't know the date on that. I was looking up the date stamping and I couldn't find anything like this one at all, so I just figure it's a really old one. And there's nothing on the back. Got this Williams superwrench, forged in USA, alloy steel. Pretty good size box end wrench. ⅞, number 4731B, and 3/16 on this side. Dunlap opening wrench, forged in USA. This one's made in Japan. It's a vintage Toyota Motors wrench. Just thought that was kind of cool with the lettering. Another plum. I think this is, here we go, a little bit later than the one I showed you earlier, but a pretty good size wrench. Interesting shape here. This wrench for a Mercedes. /19mm and 17. Got a BMW, kind of offset 17 and 19mm. I've got an old Fiat wrench, 17 and 13. This one's a hazrt or hazard. I don't know how you say that, but supposedly these are for old Porsches. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong. 10 and 13mm. This was a Billings, I think. It's pretty. I need to obviously clean that up. Billings and Spencer, Hartford. I have a few other of these. I was going to try to make a set of some sort, so I picked that one up. Oh, by the way, all of these wrenches here, I'm going to go through the rest of them. Everything here costed me $12. I just got them in small lots of like $3, $3 lots, 4 $3 lots. And this is a Ford Chicago Ford USA wrench. Okay, we got Kawasaki. And I have another Kawasaki wrench over here. I'll probably get a few more Kawasaki wrenches and sell them on eBay. And I found a couple more Indestro. I have another Indestro wrench, and I was trying to make a set of the Indestros. This one doesn't. This one's different right here, but it has a similar look. Auto kit wrench, number 100, made in USA, Indestro, Chicago, USA. It's 3/4, 7/8. Can't read that either, but it's smaller. It was pretty cool. And I picked up this. This was $1, so I picked it up. I think it's these are made in Japan. It's like ignition wrench set. And then the last thing, which is not a wrench, but I got this for $3. I didn't know what it was, so I just picked it up because it looked like an interesting and well-made tool. But it I'm pretty sure this is for cutting sheet metal. This would clamp down on there. And the stamp is somewhere. Right here. Metal Mitre. Metal Mitre, California, Inc. Metal Mitre, Inc. California. Patent applied. And that is it for my haul. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you next time. Bye.